Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an easy tutorial for you on how to pay with your Revolut card on your phone. So let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open your Revolut app. Once you're in, navigate to the card section. Here you'll have the option to get a virtual card. It's super simple. Just click on Get Card. Choose whether you want a physical or virtual card. Select a color, and voila, your virtual card is ready to go. Now, let's add this virtual card to your phone's wallet. Head over to your settings and look for Wallet. Once you find it, click on Wallet and then select Add Card. Choose Debit when prompted. You can either scan your card or manually enter the details. Manually entering is easy. First, input your card number. You can find this in your Revolut app. Copy and paste it in. Next, add the expiry date and the CVV. Click Next. Congratulations! Your Revolut virtual card is now added to your phone. Now, whenever you're in a supermarket or wherever you need to pay, simply double tap, and that's it. Your virtual card is ready for action. And there you have it. That's how you pay with Revolut on your phone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. I'll see you in the next video.